Hello everyone, I'm Shaun here, a data analyst and BI developer with expertise in Power BI, Excel, Python and SQL. I'm excited to share that I recently completed the Codecap Performance Analysis project, which is part of Codebase's Resume Project Challenge 30. Now the Codecap Performance Analysis project overview. First of all, understand the business strategy of Codecap, and second, primary and secondary question analysis, and third, ad hoc analysis, then dashboard design of Codecap Performance Analysis. Codecap, a CAP service provider established 2 years ago, has repeatedly gained traction in the Indian market by focusing on Tier 2 cities. Operating in the 10 Tier city, Codecap has embarrassing performance target for 2020 to drive growth and enhance passenger satisfaction. Primary question analysis. Here the first question, top and bottom performance city. And this is the output of question 1. The top is Jaunpur, Lucknow and Surat, and bottom 3 is Visakhapatnam, Coimbatore and Mysore. And second question is average fare per trip by city, and this is the result. Here the Jaunpur is average fare in 4083.91 and Kochi is 3035 and bottom is Surat 117. And this is third question, average rating by city and passenger type. First of all, and Chandigarh, the passenger type is neat. Passenger average rating is 8.48 and average driver rating is 7.9. And Chandigarh repeated passenger average rating 7.49 and driver rating is 7.47. As like in other cities, new passenger and repeated passenger average rating and average driver rating. And fourth question is peak and low demand month by city. Here the city name of Chandigarh and total tip 4957. This is the peak demand, and Mysore is 2072. This is the low demand. And the question 5 is weekend versus weekday tip demand by city. The result, the city is Lucknow, weekday total tip 559872. The weekend day total tip in Lucknow city 223,817. Question number 6. Repeated passenger frequency and city contribution analysis. The city and repeated passenger frequency contribution. Question 7 is monthly target achievement. Here is the monthly basis targeted tip and actual tip and achievement rate. Here is the highest achievement rate is February month and lowest is June. Passenger basis achievement, targeted new passenger and actual passenger, and here's the highest achievement month is April and lowest is March. And this is rating basis, the highest achievement rate in Jaunpur. Question number 8, highest and lowest repeated passenger rate by city and month. This is for city basis. In the highest repeated passenger rate Surat and lowest is Mysore. And this is month basis. The highest is May and lowest is January. Now ad hoc analysis. Here is the business request 1 and this is the SQL query file, and this is the result of business request 1, and this is business request 2, and this is the query file of business request 2, and this is result of business request 2, and this is the business request 3, and this is SQL file of query, and this is result of business request 3. This is business request 4, and this one is SQL file, and this is the result of business request 4, and this one is business request 5, and this one is business request 5 SQL query, and this is the result. And this one is last one, business request 6, and this one the SQL query file, and this is the result of business report 6. Dashboard design. Here I develop the dashboard design in 5 pages. First of all, home page, and then overview and city, then pages comparison and behavior and monthly. First of all, overview pages. Here I use total 4 KPI and 4 slicer. And total trip is 426k, total passenger 238k, total revenue 108 million, and average rating is 7.66. And this is a table for city wise total revenue, total passenger, total trip, and total new passenger. And this is for, and this bar chart is for total trip by city. Here is Jaunpur is top and bottom is Maheshwari, and total trip Jaunpur 77k and Maheshwari is 16k. And this chart is for average trip cost by city. The highest average trip cost in Jaunpur, and this donor chart for new and repeated passenger percentage. Here is the new passenger percentage 74.27% and repeated passenger is 25.73%. And second page, city performance overview, detailed insight across all cities, and total passenger 238k, average passenger is 8, new versus repeated passenger ratio is 2.89, average tip is 2. Here's the city wise heat map, and this is for top 5 cities by T, and this chart for city wise revenue growth, and total revenue for Jaipur 37.2 million, and Coimbatore is bottom 3.5 million. And this bar chart for monthly revenue growth. Here is the January month total revenue growth is 18.5 million, and June is low, this is 15.4 million. And this is I use for slicer day type, then weekday and weekend. The next page is comparison. In this comparing pages, performance versus target achievement comparison. The target new passenger is 185k and targeted trip is 429k, and repeated passenger rate is 25.73. Target versus average rating is 7.66%. And this line chart for actual versus targeted passenger by city. Here is the Jaunpur new passenger is 46k and targeted new passenger is 54k. In Kochi is targeted passenger is 26k, and the bottom is Coimbatore. There the new passenger is 8k and targeted new passenger is 9k. In this line chart for passenger versus driver average rating, average passenger rating Mysore is 8.70 and driver rating is 8.98. For Surat, average passenger rating is 6.24, actual is 6.59, and this is rating gap by city. Behavior. repeated passenger insight, behavior pattern across cities and month. Here is the city-wise day type distribution, and this is top 5 city by TIFF, and this is new versus repeated passenger. This bar chart for monthly day type distribution for January, weekday and weekend, and this column chart for repeated passenger by city. Next is monthly. Here is monthly total tip distribution and day type revenue, and this chart for monthly day type tip distribution. That's all my dashboard design.